Hey guys, in this video I am showing you how I deep clean my Brother LX3817 sewing machine. I have had this machine for a year and 2 months now, and guys, I was shocked to see what was inside. I mean, I should have expected it, but I didn't. This segment of video is a part of a larger video, so to check that out, go ahead and click above. Alright guys, enjoy this cleaning. Bye! Oh, right. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.
So here we've got our plate off, and we can start to see some dust inside the machine.
Goodness. I had no idea. And this is something that I should be doing at home. I should be taking this off.
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
okay.
And I'd actually, we're going to go a little step further, and we've got our bobbin that was in the machine. Most machines today have a drop-in bobbin, which we would have a casing, a bobbin casing that we can wiggle and jiggle and get that bobbin case out. So now we can really get in and start to see where all the lint can be.
Wow. Oh my goodness. I'm just, okay, let's get to work.
Okay.
We got some things to do here.
So
I'm ready.
Number one recommendation, I don't recommend canned air. And the reason being, canned air will give us a clean working area, but also a sewing machine has lots of small moving components. And canned air can actually push that lint down inside the machine. And there's little gears and everything, and that lint can actually get down inside those gears. So we want to brush, pick, vacuum, try and get that out as much as possible. I really don't recommend canned air on most machines. So we can get our lint brush, a Q-tip, and we can just start going through and brushing areas all throughout the hook, which is underneath the bobbin area. We can look for lint. In the feed dog area, we can look for lint. There shouldn't be a buildup of, looks like a felt piece on there. And then also you can rotate the hand wheel to move the hook to get to different positions, so you can start to see in the different areas all throughout. So this whole area is where we want to start cleaning.
Okay. All right, guys. Here we go.
Sometimes it's like a dryer lint screen too, where you can actually take a lint ball and how it like attracts itself to it.
Oh.
So rather than trying to pick, you can actually use that ball.
What? Okay, I have to try that.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. That is so cool. Oops, I lost it. Don't want to make it go down. Okay, let's start a new one. Okay, and then you said to rotate to get to different areas.
Yeah, so for instance, like here, you've got a hole in the front of the hook. So as I move this around, I can see over here, I can see over here, over here. So now we can get in over here and get into that.
There. Oh, right.
That could be too small to be able to get the tweezers in there possibly.
True. Maybe I'll try going back to this one. Okay. Alrighty. So I have that done.
Okay. And another important part is going to be putting it all back together again. The bobbin case that drops in normally has a finger, a round finger here, that's going to rest against a metal position finger. So as I'm inserting it, you may have to wiggle and jiggle, but once it's in, that finger should be resting up against that bracket.
Okay. So, oh, there it is. Like I had to dip it under on this side a little bit. But This should have like dropped in there.
It's not quite where it needs to be. So a test would be if I turned my hand wheel, it should kind of rotate smoothly. And, oh,
Nope, it's moving.
oh, it was right there. Now it's setting on that ridge. So if I rotate the hand wheel, maybe I should take my needle out, but we'll be okay now. Everything rotates over nice and smoothly. There's a little bit of wiggle, but that's where it needs to be. Then next, we'll put a plate on. This particular one has to go in. There we go.
Okay, and then,
Ooh.
oh, quick hands. We'll put this one in here, that one in there. Oh yes, it's a lot easier to put in than it is to take out. Nice. And tighten it up.
That's basically it.
Whoa, and that's pretty, that's quite a lot of lint in there that we took out. And lint can also affect how your sewing machine.
Yes, the bobbin case floats inside that hook mechanism, so a buildup could make the bobbin case chatter around. Also, the lint will attach itself to areas that have oil and grease and can actually start to dry up those lubricants that are helping the machine work well.